Hi, today we're going to be looking at connecting your iDRAC to your actual network. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually locate your VALT server. If you need help figuring that out, you can go ahead and watch one of our other videos that shows how to do that. Once you actually have found your server, we're going to want to take the network cable that we're going to be plugging your iDRAC into and finding the NIC on the back of the server where that will need to be plugged in. Let's go ahead and look at the back of the server now. Once you are located at the back of the server, you'll want to locate the NIC that says iDRAC. On most servers, it's off way to the left. If you have 3 NICs on your server, just make sure it's the one that's off by itself. It should look distinct from the others. I'm going to go ahead and take my network cable and plug it into that iDRAC NIC now. Once that's configured, we can actually go ahead and see what IP address that device is taking. We can actually use the bezel on the front of the server to locate that IP address. If the screen is not on, you should be able to press one of the navigation buttons on the front to locate that. First, you'll see the serial number for your server. If you go ahead and hit the check mark, it's going to bring you to a menu. You can use the arrows to navigate around, and I'm going to go ahead and select View. We're going to select iDRAC IP. We're going to select IPv4. And then we'll once again just go ahead and hit IP. And if your server is connected to DHCP, an address will pop up right here. We'll use that to actually connect to the management NIC. Make sure that you write down this number and supply that to your technician. Thank you.